my heart for God, for the things that you do for me, and how you loved us so much and so mindful of us. My heart is available to you. My heart is for you. Everything, all the love, all the care, everything you ask for, and everything, Lord, you desire from me. I give it my all, my all, and all. You I ain't never met love like yours, who loved the people before they knew you. Oh, my heart, my mind, and all that's within me, love thee, love you, Lord, love thee, love thee. Where would I go? Who can I run to that loves me the way you do? Oh, in the late hours of my time, when I'm in pain and sorrow, you come right in, give me a new tomorrow. Where will I go? Who can I seek? It's like you in this earth. There's no one. I look for this love in my heart, in other places, only to find that it's dark, and things and people, things we love more than thee, we find ourselves so displeased. But thee, oh Lord, I found the truth, I found in you.